My name is Anu Khanna and I'm based at UK in Midlands. I'm on the old license model, so I'm the premium license, and it's been 6 years now since I started working with the amazing ActionCOACH company. I was actually in business all my life. My career, I worked at Ikea. I've worked with global corporations. I worked at Ikea for 16 years, moved across 3 different countries with them. My last role, I was in Zurich in Switzerland, and I was a deputy country manager and also a global coach in my free time, whatever free time you get in a full-time job. I was coaching high potentials to take the next step. So not same as business coaching, but I did my coaching qualification from there. And prior to that, I worked for General Motors. So that's my background, GM, IKEA, and now ActionCOACH, 3 great companies. But I have to say I'm having the best time of my life at ActionCOACH. I had never planned that I'm going to become a coach. And things just happened, and it was for me, let's try it out, let's see if it works. And then I sort of have fallen in love with business coaching and making a difference in business owners' personal and business lives. I think there's nothing more satisfying than a business owner turning around and say, "You've changed my life," and their spouse thanking you because they take more holidays, their kids go to the private school. So I feel it's the bigger purpose of why I do what I do now. I get asked many times by my clients, why did you buy ActionCOACH? You could have done on your own. You have global companies in the background. Why did you do it? And I said, one is the community, because I'm part of a global setup, yet local. So it's a huge advantageous position to be part of a global organization, the infrastructure, the support system, the community, and yet being local in terms of decision making. It's my business, I'm the business owner. Plus, we have fantastic structure, system, processes, procedures in ActionCOACH. If I had started my own company, I'll have to create all of that, which would take me years and years and years. And I don't want to be spending time in creating the documents, structure, systems. At ActionCOACH, we have proven methodologies, tested, proven across thousands of business owners. So I can just pull it out from the system and I know it works. And with my background and experience of working with global corporations plus ActionCOACH system process structure, you combine the two, the magic happens and the client business just grows. I have actually lots and lots of stories to share about my clients and how they have gained successes. And this is actually a story of one of our clients who has been working since I've started the business, one of our oldest clients, and he shared it at our client community that when he started to work with me in the alignment session, we plan as to what's your next, goals for next coming years and what do you want also in your personal life, because business is meant to give you more life. And he said, well, you know what, my wish would be that I could send my 2 children, he has 2 kids, to private school. I don't think I'll be able to afford that. And, we don't have that kind of money. So, well, let's plan it. Let's put it in your alignment. He was very hesitant. He put it in the alignment. We worked towards it. We reverse engineered it. I think it was roughly 18 months down the line as per his plan. And then he rang me one day. He said, guess what? I'm at my kids' private school and they both got admission and both of them are going to private school. And it's been now 4 years. The last 6 years, they're still in private school. And I feel very proud that I'm able to make that kind of difference. Another success story is our client's spouse, when we started to work together, said, we've never taken holiday. We haven't been on holiday for years and years. I don't remember the last time. Fast forward some years. They're on holiday like every second month. They've even bought a camper van, they were away on holidays. And I'm like, when are you even here in the country now? And then in terms of business successes, the numbers multiply. When you focus on the right things, when you have someone holding you accountable, results is just a byproduct. So our clients have seen their numbers grow, double, triple, quadruple in terms of profits, in terms of turnover. Yes, that is something we also guarantee. But I was also talking about the softer aspects, which is not just money, which is not just shown on the P&L. It's for families, children having the best education, families being able to spend more time together, business owners now working lesser number of days, like 3 to 4 days a week. Yeah, really making world a better place, I would say. The best part about being a coach is you get to live your purpose, and you also benefit financially. It's like I'm living my purpose, living my dream, giving back to the community, helping the business owners grow. And I get paid for it, and I also get more money for my family, more time with my kids, which I did not have in my corporate life. And I'm also growing my team. My team is progressing, their families are growing. And I've been able to generate a lot of employment as a result of that. And our clients' businesses are growing, they're generating employment. So it's a win-win. It's 22, cash 22, you know, it's like you're giving the abundance and you're getting a lot more abundance back. Yeah, there's so many best part about being a coach. I wouldn't be doing anything else now. You know, the support that we get from ActionCOACH community is absolutely amazing. And I would say I underestimated it. I was told when I joined ActionCOACH, the support system is there. I was like, yeah, all right, it's there. And you know, yeah, fine, it's good. I've worked with global organizations, but I really did not expect how fantastically amazing this is. The world abundance is felt within the community, and you know, it's leading from the front. I see that in Brad Sugars, how he's so abundant. I see that in our UK master franchisee, Ian, Julie, James. We work like a family. You know, everyone wants to support each other. Even though amongst the coaches, you know, we do similar things, but there's no competition. We're helping each other because we want to grow together. Because one of the key values of ActionCOACH is enough for everyone. You know, really genuinely believing in abundance is enough for everyone. Everyone wants to grow. Just love the community, love the amazing atmosphere. It's just a great place to be. Top 3 reasons I would encourage someone to become a coach. Come and live your dream life. Come and live your purpose. Contribute to the community. Make a difference in this world and get good financial rewards for it, and have flexibility to be able to spend time with your family whilst you're making the world a better place. No reason not to.